Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to activate the NFC reader on your iPhone. Whether you have a new model or an older one, I'll guide you through the steps to get your NFC reader up and running. Let's dive in. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. This app is pre-installed on most devices, but if you don't see it, you can download it from the App Store. In the Shortcuts app, go to the Automation tab. Tap Create Personal Automation or New Automation if it's your first time using this feature. From the list of triggers, scroll down and find NFC and tap NFC. Tap Scan to begin settings it app. When prompted, hold your iPhone near an NFC tag. This will enable the NFC reader feature on your device. Once the scan is successful, your iPhone will be ready to interact with NFC tags seamlessly, whether for payments, sharing data, or accessing information from NFC-enabled devices. And that's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for my channel. Thank you.